Union and its territory. Article 1. Name and the territory of Union. Article 2. Admission or establishment of new state. Article 3. Formation of new state and alteration of areas, boundaries, or name of existing state. Article 4. Law made under Article 2 and 3 to provide for the amendment for the first and fourth schedule and supplemental, incidental, and consequential matters. Citizenship. Article 5. Citizenship at the commencement of the Constitution. Article 6. Right of citizenship of certain person who have migrated to India from Pakistan. Article 7. Right of citizenship of certain migrants to Pakistan. Article 8. Right of citizenship of certain person of Indian origin residing outside India. Article 9. Persons voluntarily acquiring citizenship of foreign state not to be citizens. Article 10. Continuance of the right of the citizenship. Article 11. Parliament to regulate the right of citizenship by law. Fundamental rights. Article 12. Definition of state. Article 13. Law in consistence with or in derogation of fundamental rights. Article 14. Equality before law. Article 15. Prohibition of discrimination on the ground of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. Article 16. Equality of opportunity in matters of public employment. Article 17. Abolition of untouchability. Article 18. Abolition of titles. Article 19. Protection of certain rights regarding freedom of speech, etc. Article 20. Protection in respect of conviction of offences. Article 21. Protection of life and personal liberty. Article 21A. Right to elementary education. Article 22. Protection against arrest and detention in certain cases. Article 23. Prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor. Article 24. Prohibition of employment of children in factories, etc. Article 25. Freedom of conscience and freedom of profession, practice, and propagation of religion. Article 26. Freedom to manage religion affairs. Freedom to manage religious affairs. Article 27. Freedom as to payment of taxes for the promotion of any particular religion. Article 28. Freedom as to attendance at religious instruction or religious worship in certain educational institution. Article 29. Protection of interest of minorities. Article 30. The right of minorities to establish an administration and administer educational institutes. 31. Article 31. Compulsory acquisition of property. Repealed. Article 31A. Saving of laws providing for acquisition of estates, etc. Article 31B. Validation of certain acts and regulation. Article 31C. Saving of laws giving effect to certain directive principles. Article 31D. Saving of laws in respect of anti-national activities. 31D is repealed. Article 32. Remedies for enforcement of fundamental rights including writs. Article 32A. Constitutional validity of state laws. Article 32A is repealed. Article 33. Power of Parliament to modify the fundamental rights in their application to force, etc. In their application to forces, etc. Article 34. Restriction on fundamental rights while martial law is in force in any area. Article 35. Legislation to give effect to some provision of fundamental rights. DPSP. Article 36. Definition of state. Article 37. Application of DPSP. Application of Directive Principle. Article 38. State to secure a social order for promotion of welfare of the people. Article 39. Certain principal policies to be followed by the state. Article 39A. Equal justice and free legal aid. Article 40. Organization of village panchayat. Article 41. Right to work, to education, and to public assistance in certain cases. Article 42. Provision for just and human condition of work and maternity relief. Article 43. Living wage etc. for workers. Article 43A. Participation of worker in management of industry. Article 43B. Promotion of cooperative societies. Article 44. Uniform Civil Code for the citizens. Article 45. Provision for early childhood care and education to children below the age of 6 years. Article 46. Promotion of educational and economic interest of scheduled caste, scheduled type, and other weaker sections. Article 47. Duty of the state to raise the level of nutrition and the standard of living to improve the public health. 48. Article 48. Organization of agriculture and administration. Article 48. Organization of agriculture and animal husbandry. Article 48A. Protection and improvement of environment and safeguarding of forest and wildlife. Article 49. Protection of monuments and places and objective of national importance. Article 50. Separation of judiciary from executive. Article 51. Promotion of international peace and security. Fundamental duties. Article 51A include fundamental duties. President and Vice President. Article 52. The President of India. Article 53. Executive power of the Union. Article 54. Election of President. Article 55. Manner of election of President. Article 56. Term of office of President. Article 57. Eligibility of re-election. Article 58. Qualification for election as President. Article 59. Condition of President's office. Article 60. Oath or affirmation by the President. Article 61. Procedure for impeachment of the President. Article 62. Time of holding election to file vacancy in the office of President and the term of office of a person elected to fill casual vacancy. Article 63. The Vice President of India. Article 64. The Vice President to be ex officio Chairman of the Council of State. Article 65. The Vice President to act as President or to discharge his function during casual vacancies in the office or during the absence of President. Article 66. Election of Vice President. Article 67. Term of office of Vice President. Article 68. Term of holding election to fill vacancy in the office of Vice President and the term of office of person elected to fill casual vacancy. Article 69. Oath or affirmation by the Vice President. Article 70. Discharge of President's function in the other contingencies. Article 71. Matter relating to or connected with the election of a President or Vice President. Article 72. Power of President to grant pardon, etc. and to suspend, remit or commute sentence in certain cases. Article 73. Extent of executive power of the Union. Union Minister and Attorney General from Article 74 to 78. Article 74. Council of Ministers to aid and advise President. Article 75. Other provision as to ministers. Article 76. Attorney General of India. Article 77. Conduct of business of the Government of India. Article 78. Duties of PM as respect the furnishing of information to the President, etc. Parliament from Article 79 to Article 123. Article 79. Constitution of Parliament. Article 80, composition of Council of States. Article 81, composition of the House of the People. Article 82, readjustment after each census. Readjustment after each census. Article 83, duration of House of Parliament. Article 84, qualification for membership of Parliament. Article 85, session of Parliament, prorogation and dissolution. Article 86, right to President to address and send message to House. Article 87, special address by the President. Article 88, right of Minister and Attorney General as respects Houses. Article 90, vacation and registration of and removal from the office of Deputy Chairman. Article 91, power of the Deputy Chairman or the person to perform the duty of the office of or to act as the Chairman. Article 92, the Chairman or the Deputy Chairman not to preside while a resolution for his removal from the office is under consideration. Article 93, the Speaker and Deputy Speaker of the House of the People. Article 94, vacation and resignation of and removal from the office of Speaker and Deputy Speaker. Article 95, power of Deputy Speaker or the person to perform the duties of the office of or to act as Speaker. Article 96, the Speaker or the Speaker or the Deputy Speaker not to preside while a resolution for his removal from office is under consideration. Article 97, salaries and allowances of the Chairman and Deputy Chairman and the Speaker and the Deputy Speaker. Article 98, Secretariat of Parliament. Article 99, oath or affirmation by members. Article 100, voting in House, power of Houses to act in notwithstanding vacancies and quorum. Article 101, vacation of seats. Article 102, disqualification for membership. Article 103, decision on question as to disqualification of members. Article 104, penalty for sitting and voting before making oath or affirmation under Article 99 or when not qualified when disqualified. Article 105, power, privileges, etc. of the House of Parliament and of the member of the committees thereof. Article 106, salaries and allowances of members. Article 107, provision as to introduce and passing of bills. Article 108, joint sitting of both houses in certain cases. Article 109, special procedure in respect of money bills. Article 110, definition of money bills. Article 111, assent of bill. Article 112, annual financial statement, that is budget. Article 113, procedure in Parliament with respect to estimates. Article 114, appropriation bills only. 115, Article 115, supplementary, additional or excess grants. Article 116, votes on account, vote of credit and exceptional grants. Article 117, special provision as to financial bills. Article 118, rules of procedure. Article 119, regulation by law of procedure in Parliament or in relation to financial business. Article 120, language to be used in Parliament. Article 121, restriction on discussion in Parliament. Article 122, court not to inquire into proceeding of Parliament. Article 123, power of President to promulgate ordinance during the recess of Parliament. Supreme Court, from Article 124 to Article 147. Article 124, establishment and constitution of Supreme Court. Article 124A, National Judicial Appointments Commission. Article 124B, Function of Commission. Article 124C, Power of Parliament to make law. Article 125, Salaries etc. of judges. Article 126, Appointment of acting Chief Justice. Article 127, Appointment of ad hoc judges. Article 128, Attendance of retired judges at sitting of the Supreme Court. Article 129, Supreme Court to be court of record. Article 130, Seat of Supreme Court. Article 131, Original jurisdiction of Supreme Court. Article 131A, repeal. Article 132, Appellate jurisdiction of Supreme Court in appeals from High Court in certain cases. Article 133, Appellate jurisdiction of Supreme Court in appeals from High Court in regard to civil matters. Article 134, Appellate jurisdiction of Supreme Court in regards to criminal matters. Article 134A, Certificate for appeal to the Supreme Court. Article 135, Jurisdiction of and power for the Article 135, Jurisdiction and power of the Federal Court under existing law to be exercisable by the Supreme Court. Article 136, Special leave to appeal by the Supreme Court. Article 137, Review of judgment or orders by the Supreme Court. Article 138, Enlargement of the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. Article 139, Conferment on the Supreme Court of powers to issue certain writs. Article 139A, Transfer of certain cases. Article 140, Ancillary powers of Supreme Court. Article 141, Law declared by Supreme Court to be binding on all courts. Article 142, Enforcement of decrees and orders of Supreme Court and order as to discovery etc. Article 143, Power of President to consult Supreme Court. Article 144, Civil and judicial authority to act in aid of the Supreme Court. Article 144, Special provision as to disposal of question relating to constitutional validity. Article 144A is repealed. Article 145, Rule of Court. Article 145, Rules of Court etc. Article 146, Officer and Servant and the expenses of the Supreme Court. Article 147, Interpretation. Article 147 is Interpretation. Comptroller and Auditor General of India, from Article 148 to Article 151. Article 148, Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Article 149, Duties and power of the Comptroller and Auditor General. Article 150, Form of accounts on the Union and of states. Article 151, Audit reports. Governor, from Article 152 to Article 162. Article 152, Definition of State. Article 153, Governor of States. Article 154, Executive power of states. Article 155, Appointment of Governor. Article 156, Term of office of Governor. Article 157, Qualification for appointments as Governor. Article 158, Condition of Governor's office. Article 159, Oath or affirmation by Governor. Article 160, Discharge of the function of the Governor in certain contingency. Article 160, Discharge of function of Governor in certain contingency. Article 161, Power of Governor to grant pardon, etc. and to suspend, remit or commute sentence in certain cases. Article 162, Extent of executive power of state. State Minister and Advocate General. from Article 163 to Article 167. Article 163, Council of Minister to add and advise Governor. Article 164, other provision as to ministers. Article 165, Advocate General of the State. Article 166, Conduct of business of the Government of State. Article 167, Duty of Chief Minister as respect the furnishing of information of Governor, etc. State Legislature. State Legislature is from Article 168 to Article State Legislature is from Article 168 to Article 230. Article 168, Constitution of Legislatures in States. Article 169, Abolition or creation of Legislative Council in States. Article 170, Composition of Legislative Assembly. Article 171, Composition of Legislative Council. Article 172, Duration of State Legislatures. Article 173, Qualification of Membership of the State Legislature. Article 174, Session of the State Legislature, Prorogation and Dissolution. Article 175, Right of the Governor to address and send message to the House of Houses. Article 175 is right of the Governor to address and send messages to the House of Houses. Article 176, Special address by the Governor. Article 177, Right of minorities and Advocate General as respect to the Houses. Article 178, the Speaker and Deputy Speaker of Legislative Assembly. Article 179, Vacation and resignation of. Article 179, Vacation and resignation of and removal from the office of the Speaker and Deputy Speaker. Article 180, Power of the Deputy Speaker or other person to perform the duty of the office of or to act as Speaker. Article 181, the Speaker or the Deputy Speaker not to preside while resolution for his removal from the office is under consideration. Article 182, the Chairman and the Deputy Chairman of the Legislative Council. Article 183. Article 183. Vacation and resignation and removal from the office of Chairman and Deputy Chairman. Article 184. Power of the Deputy Chairman or the person to perform the duties of the office of or to act as Chairman. Article 185. The Chairman or the Deputy Chairman not to preside while a resolution for his removal from the office is under consideration. Article 186. Salary and allowances of the Speaker, Deputy Speaker and the Chairman and Deputy Chairman. Article 187, Secretariat of State Legislature. Article 188, Oath or affirmation by members. Article 189, Voting in houses. Power of houses to act notwithstanding vacancies and quorum, etc. Article 190, Vacation of seats. Article 191, Disqualification for membership. Article 192, Decision on question as to disqualification of members. Article 193, Penalty for sitting and voting before making oath or affirmation under Article 188 or when not qualified or when disqualified. Article 194, Powers, privileges, etc. of the House of the Legislature and of the member of the committees thereof. Article 195, Salary and allowances of the members. Article 196, Provision as to introduce and passing of bills. Article 197, Restriction of power of Legislative Council as to bill other than money bills. Article 198, Special procedure in respect of money bills. Article 199, Definition of money bills. Article 200, Assents to bill. Article 201, Bill reserved for the consideration of the President. Article 202, Annual Financial Statement. Article 203, Procedure in Legislature with respect to estimates. Article 204 Appropriation Bills. Article 205 Supplementary, Additional or Excess Grants. Article 206 Votes on Account, Votes of Credit and Exceptional Grants. Article 207 Special Provision as to Financial Bills. Article 208 Rule of Procedure. Article 209 Regulation by procedure in the legislature or in relation to the financial business. Article 210 Language to be used in the legislature. Article 211 Restriction on discussion in legislature. Article 212 Courts not to be inquired into the proceeding of legislature. Article 213 Power of governor to promulgate ordinance during recess of legislature. High Court. High Court is from Article 214 to Article 232. High Court is from Article 214 to Article 232, in which Article 232 is repealed. Article 214 High Court for States. Article 215 High Courts to be courts on records of record. Article 216 Constitution of High Courts. Article 217 Appointment and condition of the office of judges of High Courts. Article 218 Application of certain provision relating to Supreme Court to High Courts. Article 219 Oath or affirmation by judges of High Courts. Article 220 Restriction on practice after being a permanent judge. Article 221 Salaries etc. of judges. Article 222 Transfer of judges from one High Court to another. Article 223 Appointment of acting Chief Justice. Article 224 Appointment of additional and acting judges. Article 224A Appointment of retired judges at sitting of High Courts. Article 225 Jurisdiction of existing High Courts. Article 226 Power of High Courts to issue certain writs. Article 226A Constitutional validity of central laws not to be considered in proceeding under Article 226A is repealed. Article 227 Power of superintendence over all courts by High Court. Article 228 Transfer of certain cases to High Court. Article 228A repealed. Article 229 Officers and servants and the expenses of High Courts. Article 230 Extension of jurisdiction of High Courts to Union territories. Article 231 Establishment of Common High Court for two or more states. Article 232 repealed. Article Subordinate Court. Subordinate Court is from Article 233 to Article 237. Article 233 Appointment of District Judges. Article 233A Validation of appointments and judgment, etc. delivered by certain district judges. Article 234 Recruitment of persons other than district judge to the judicial service. Article 235 Control over subordinate courts. Article 236 Interpretation. Article 237 Application of the provisions of the chapter to certain classes or class of magistrates. Union Territories. Union Territories is from Article 239 to Article 242. Article 239 Administration of Union Territories. Article 239A Certain of local Article 239A Creation of local legislature or council of minister or both for certain union territories. Article 239AA Special provision with respect to Delhi. Article 239AB Provision in case of failure of constitutional machinery. Article 239B Power of administrator to promulgate ordinance during recess of legislature. Article 240. Power of president to make regulations for certain UTs. Article 241. High Court for Union Territories. Article 242 repealed. Article 242 is repealed. Now, Panchayats. Panchayats is from Article 243 to Article 243O. Article 243 Definitions. Article 243A Gram Sabha. 243B Constitution of Panchayat. 243C Composition of Panchayats. Article 243D Reservation of seats. Article 243E Duration of Panchayats, etc. Article 243F Disqualification for membership. Article 243G Power, authorities and responsibilities of Panchayats. Article 243H Power to impose taxes and funds of Panchayats. Article 243I Constitution of Finance Commission to review financial position. Article 243J Audit of accounts of Panchayat. Article 243K Election to the Panchayats. Article 243L Application to Union Territories. Article 243M Part not to apply to certain areas. Article 243N Continuance of existing law and Panchayats. Article 243O Bar to interference by courts in electoral matters. Municipalities. Municipality is from Article 243P to Article 243ZZ. P to ZG. Article 243 Definition. Article 243Q Constitution of Municipalities. Article 243R Composition of Municipalities. Article 243S Constitution, Composition of Wards, Communities, etc. 43 Article 243T Reservation of seats. Article 243U Duration of municipalities, etc. Article 243V Disqualification for membership. Article 243W Powers, authorities and responsibilities of municipalities, etc. Article 243X Power to impose taxes by and of funds of the municipalities. Article 243Y Finance Commission. Article 243Z Audit of accounts of municipalities. Article 243ZA Election of the municipalities. Article 243ZB Application to Union Territories. Article 243ZC Part not to be applied by certain areas. Article 243ZD Committee for District Planning. Article 243ZE Committee for Metropolitan Planning. Article 243ZF Continuance of Existence Law and Municipalities. Article 243ZG Bar to interference by court in electoral matters. Cooperative societies. Cooperative societies from Article 243ZH from Article ZT. So, Article 243ZH Definitions. Article 243ZI Incorporation of cooperative societies. 243ZH Number and terms of member of board and its office bearers. Means Article 243ZJ is number and terms of members of board and its office bearer. Article 243ZK Election of member of boards. Article 243ZL Suppression and suspension of boards and interim management. Article 243ZM Audit of accounts and cooperative society. Article 243ZN Convening of general body meeting. Article 243ZO Right of member to get information. Article 243ZP Returns. Article 243ZQ Offences and penalties. Article 243ZR Application to multi-state cooperative society. Article 243 ZS, application to union territories. Article 243 ZT, continuance of existing laws. Now schedule and tribal areas. Schedule and tribal areas in Article 244 and 244A. Article 244, administration of scheduled area and tribal area. Article 244A, formation of an autonomous state comprising of certain tribal areas in Assam and creation of local legislature and council of ministers or both thereof. Therefore, now center and state legislative relation. Center and state legislative relation is from Article 245 to Article 255. Article 245, extent of law made by Parliament and by legislature of state. Article 246, subject matter of law by Parliament and by the legislature of state. Article 247, power of Parliament to provide for the establishment of certain additional courts. Article 248, residuary power of legislature. Article 249, power of Parliament to legislate with respect to matter in state list and national interest. Article 250, power of Parliament to legislate with respect to any matter in the state list if a proclamation of emergency is in operation. Article 251, inconsistency between law made by the Parliament under Article 249 and 250 and law made by the legislature under legislature of states. Article 252, power of Parliament to legislate for two or more states by consent and adoption of such legislature by any other state. Article 253, legislation for giving effect to international agreement. Article 254, inconsistency between law made by Parliament and law made by the legislature of state. Article 255, requirement as to recommendation and previous sanction to be regarded as matter of procedure only. Center-state administrative relations. Center-state administrative relation is from Article 256 to Article 263. In Article 256, obligation of state and union and the union territories. Article 257, control of the union over state in certain cases. Article 257, repeat ho gaya bhai. Article 258, power of the union to confer powers etc. on state in certain cases. Article 258A, power of the state to entrust function of the union. Article 259, repealed. Article 260, jurisdiction of the union in relation to territories outside India. 261, public acts, records and judicial proceedings. Article 262, adjudication of disputes relating to water of interstate river or river valleys. Provision with respect. Article 263 is provision with respect to interstate councils. Center-state financial relations. Center-state financial relations is from Article 264 to Article 293. Article 264, interpretation. Article 265, taxes not to be imposed save by authority of law. Article 266, consolidated fund and public accounts of India and of the state. Article 267, contingency fund. Article 268, duties levied by the union but collected by appropriated by the state. Collected and appropriated by the state. Article 268A, service tax levied by the union and collected and appropriated by the union and states. Article 269, taxes levied and collected by the union but assigned to the states. Article 270, taxes levied and distributed between the union and state. Article 271, surcharge on certain duties and taxes for purpose of the union. Article 272, taxes which are levied and collected by the union and may be distributed between. Article 272 repealed. Article 273, Grant in lieu of export duty on jute and jute products. Article 274. Prior recommendation of President required to bill affecting taxation in which states are interested. Article 275. Grant for the union of certain state. Grant from the union to certain states. Article 276. Taxes on professions, trades, calling, and employment. Article 277. Savings. Article 278. Agreement with state in part of the first. Article 278 repealed. Article 279. Calculation of net proceeds, etc. Article 280. Finance Commission. Article 281. Recommendation of the Finance Commission. Article 282. Expenditure deferable by the union or a state of its revenues. Article 283. Custody, etc. of consolidated funds, contingency fund, and money credited to the public account. Article 284. Custody of suitors, depositors, and other monies received by public servants and courts. Article 285. Exemption of property of union from the state taxation. Article 286. Restriction as to impose of tax on the sale of purchase of goods. Article 287. Exemption from taxes on electricity. Article 288. Exemption from taxes by state in respect of water or electricity in certain cases. Article 289. Exception of property and income of state from union taxation. Article 290. Adjustment in respect of certain expenses and pensions. Article 290A. Annual payment to certain Devasum funds. Article 291 repealed. Article 292. Borrowing by the Government of India. 293. Borrowing by states. Rights and liabilities of the government. Rights and liabilities of the government is from Article 294 to Article 300. Article 294. Succession to property, assets, rights, liabilities, and obligation in certain cases. Article 295. Succession of property, assets, rights, and liabilities and obligation in other cases. Article 296. Property occurring by escheat or lapse or bona vacantia. 297. Things of value within territorial water or continental shelf and resource of the exclusive economic zone to west in the union. Article 298. Power to carry on trade, etc. Article 299. Contracts. Article 300. Suits and proceedings. Then right to property. Right to property is under Article 300A, which is person not to be deprived of property save by authority of law. Trade, commerce, and intercourse. Trade, commerce, and intercourse is from Article 301 to Article 307. Article 301. Freedom to trade, commerce, and intercourse. Article 302. Power of Parliament to impose restriction on trade, commerce, and intercourse. Article 303. Restriction on the legislative powers of the Union and of the state with regards to trade and commerce. Article 304. Restriction on trade, commerce, and intercourse among the states. Article 305. Saving of existing laws and law provided for the state monopolies. Article 306. Power of certain states in Part B of the first schedule to impose restriction on trade and commerce. Article 306 is repealed. Article 307. Appointment of authorities for carrying out the purpose of for articles from Article 301 to 304. Public service. Public service is from Article 300 to Article 314. Article 308. Interpretation. Article 309. Recruitment and condition of service of person serving the union or a state. Article 310. Tenure of office of person serving the union or a state. Article 311. Dismissal, removal or reduction in rank of person employed in civil capacities under the union or a state. Article 312. All India service. Article 312A. Power of Parliament to vary or revoke conditions of service of officers or certain services. Article 313. Transitional provision. Article 314. Provision for protection of existing. Article 314 is repealed. Now, Public Service Commission. Public Service Commission is from Article 315 to Article 323. Article 315 says Public Service Commission for the Union and for the states. Article 316, appointment and the term of office of members. Article 317, removal and suspension of members of public servants service commission. Article 318, power to make regulation as to condition of service of members and staff of the commission. Article 319, prohibition as to holding the office by member of the commission on ceasing to be such members. Article 320, function of Public Service Commission. Article 321, power to extend functions of Public Service Commission. Article 322, expenses of Public Service Commission. Article 323, reports of Public Service Commission. Now, tribunal. Tribunal is under Article 323 A and B. 323 A and B. 323 A says administrative tribunals. 323 B, tribunal for other matters. Now, elections. Election is from under Article 324 to Article 329 A. Article 324, superintendence, direction and control of elections to be vested in the Election Commission. Article 325, no person to be ineligible for inclusion in or to claim to be included in a special electoral roll on grounds of religious, race or caste or sex. Article 326, election to the House of the People and to the Legislative Assembly of the state to be on the basis of adult suffrage. Article 327, power of Parliament to make provision with respect to election to legislatures. Article 328, power of legislature of state to make provision with respect to election to such legislature. Article 329, bar to interference by courts in electoral matters. Article 329A repealed. Now, special provision relating to certain classes. Special provision relating to certain classes include from Article 330 to Article 342. Article 330, reservation of seat for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe in the House of the People. Article 331, representation of Anglo-Indian in the Committee of House of the People. Article 332, reservation of seats. Article 332, reservation of seats for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe in the Legislative Assembly of the States. Article 333, representation of the Anglo-Indian Committee in the Legislative Assembly of the States. Article 334, reservation of seats and special representation to cease after 70 years. Article 334 says reservation of seats and special representation to cease after the 70 years. Article 336, special provision for Anglo-Indian committees in certain services. Article 337, special provision with respect to educational grants for the benefits of Anglo-Indian committees. Article 338, National Commission for Scheduled Caste. Article 338A, National Commission for Scheduled Tribe. Article 339B, control of the Union over the administration of scheduled areas and welfare of the scheduled tribe. Article 340, appointment of commission to investigate the condition of backward classes. 341, Article 341, scheduled caste. Article 342, scheduled tribe. Now, official language. Official language is from the Article 343 to Article 351. Official language. Article 343 to Article 351. Article 343. Official language is from Article 343 to 351. Article 343 says official language of Article 343 official language of the Union. Article 344 Commission and Committees of Parliament on Official Language. Article 345 Official Language or Language of a State. Article 346 Official Language for communication between one state and another state or between a state and the Union. Article 347 Special provision relating to the language spoken by a section of population of a state. Article 348 Language to be used in Supreme Court or in the High Courts and for Act, Bill, etc. Article 349 Special procedure for enactment of certain laws relating to language. Article 350 Language to be used in representation of the redressal of grievances. redress of grievances. Article 350b Special Officer for Linguistic Minorities. Article 351 Directive for Development of the Hindi Language. Now, emergency provision. Emergency provision is from Article 350 to Article 360. Emergency provision is from Article 352 to Article 360. Article 342 National Emergency. In which Article 352 Proclamation of Emergency, that is National Emergency. Article 353 Effect of Proclamation of Emergency. Article 354 Application of provision relating to distribution of revenues by a proclamation of emergency is an operation. Duties of the Article 355 Duties of the Union to protest states against external aggression and internal disturbance. Article 356 Provision in case of failure or constitution machinery. Article 356 is President Rule. That is President Rule. Provision in case of failure of constitution machinery in states. And President Rule, same. Article 357 Exercise of legislative power under proclamation issued under Article 356. Article 358 Suspension of provision of Article 19 during emergencies. Article 19 Suspension during emergencies. Article 358 itself. Article 359 Suspension of the enforcement of fundamental rights during emergency. 59 says fundamental rights suspend during emergency. Article 359A repeal हो गया. Article 360 provision as to financial emergency. 360 में है financial emergency. Now miscellaneous provisions. Miscellaneous provision is from Article 361 to Article 367. 361 says protection of President and Governor and Raj Pramukh. Article 361A protection of publication of proceeding of Parliament and state legislature. 361B disqualification for appointments on remunerative political post. 362 repealed. 363 bar to interference by courts in dispute arising out of certain treaties, agreement, etc. Article 363A recognition grant to rules of Indian state to seize and privacy purses to be abolished and privy purses to be abolished. Article 364 a special provision as to measure ports and aerodromes. Article 365 effect of failure of effect of failure to comply with or to give effect to the direction given by the union, that is precedent rule. I mean union bracket में precedent rule. Article 366 definition, Article 367 interpretation. Amendment of the Constitution. Amendment of the Constitution is under Article 368, which says power of Parliament to amend the Constitution and procedure thereof. Now, temporary, transitional, and special provision. Temporary, transition, and special provision is from Article 369 to Article 392. Article 369. Temporary powers to Parliament to make laws with respect to certain matters in state list as if they were matter in concurrent list. Article 370. Temporary provision with respect to state of Jammu Kashmir. Article 371. Special provision with respect of state of Maharashtra and Gujarat. 371. Article 371A. Special provision with respect to the state of Nagaland. Now, Article 371B. Special provision with respect to the state of Assam. Article 371C. Special provision with respect to the state of Manipur. Article 371D. Special provision with respect to the state of Andhra Pradesh or the state of Telangana. Article 371E. Establishment of Central University in Andhra Pradesh. Article 371F. Special provision with respect to the state of Sikkim. Article 371G. Special provision with respect to Mizoram. Article 371H. Special provision with respect to Arunachal Pradesh. 371I. Special provision with respect of Goa. Article 371. Special provision with respect to Karnataka. Article 371J is a special provision with respect to Karnataka. Article 372. Continuance in force of existing law and their adoption. Article 372A. Power of the President to adopt law. Article 373. Power of President to make order in respect of person under prevention detention in certain cases. Article 374. Provision as to judges of the Federal Court and proceeding pending in the Federal Court before His Majesty in Council. Article 375. Article 375. Court authorities and officers to continue to function subject to the provision of the Constitution. Article 376. Provision as to judges of high courts. Article 377. Provision as to Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Article 378. Provision as to Public Service Commission. Article 379. Repealed. Article 380 repealed. Article 381 repealed. Article 382 be repealed. Article 383 repealed. Article 384 repealed. Article 385 repealed. Article 386 repealed. Article 387 repealed. Article 389 repealed. Article 390 repealed. Article 391 repealed. That means from Article 379 to Article 391 repealed. Article 379, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 89, 90, 91. मतलब 379 से लेके 391 तक repeat. Now Article 392. Article 392 is the power of the President to remove difficulties. Now, short title, commencement, etc. Short title and commencement, etc. is from Article 393 to Article 395. Article 393, short title. Article 394, commencement. Article 394, authoritative text in Hindi language. Article 395, repealed. That's all for the constitutional articles.